Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today, our recipe is our low-carb version of Bacsilog. So keep watching! A low-carb version of Bacsilog. So friends, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button, like and share this recipe to your friends and family. My low-carb recipes journey. In a pan, I fried the bacon. You can have it 3 or 4 pieces. Fried it until brown, or you want it crispy, it's okay. So bacon is the best choice for doing keto diet and low carb diet. In the same pan, I fried sunny side up egg. You can have it 1 to 2 or 3, it's up to you, but in this recipe I only use 1. At the same pan, we put 1 tablespoon of butter and 4 tablespoons of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. This is the sauce of our bacon and cauliflower and eggs. I put 1 cup of cauliflower fried rice, and then I add the egg, bacon, After we put all the ingredients, we can now add our sauce, our cream cheese sauce. To be more tasty, I also add Parmesan cheese on the top. Enjoy your keto meal Bacsilog. You can have it at lunch and dinner. Thank you. Bye-bye.